Stave's AssetPath is your single solution for all of your asset management needs. This can vary from everything from IT-based assets, facilities-based assets like HVAC systems and their individual parts, or even fleet management if you're going to be doing fleet. Here on the easy-to-use dashboard, we have the ability to create work orders, check the catalog, make reservations for things like vehicles or conference rooms, and check the reservations that you have. We have the ability to look up inventory by asset, model, or stock room, see what assets are assigned to us, any approvals in the system that may be needing our attention, and what vehicles may be assigned to us if we're actually using fleet. We can look up the inventory based on asset, model number, or stock room. So let's say, but by model, we're looking for all the MacBook Pros that are 15 inches in our organization. We can find that within our models, hit search, and it's going to take us to a list of those, tell us what they are, who our manufacturer is, which could also be our vendor, the total items in our business, and the total cost of those assets. Along the top of the easy-to-use dashboard, we also have our asset management overview, where we can see the ability to create a new asset, the total assets in our organization, and a list of assets here along the bottom, and any asset downtime that may have been occurring with assets or business services in our organization. The power of Stave AssetPath is that it's a scoped app within the ServiceNow platform. That means that any changes you make will stay within scope, and customization is an ease. So say you want to change the middle report here. You just right-click on it, and we can change things like the title, what type it is, whether counting by sum or by average, what field it's targeting, in this case cost. We can easily save those changes to configure the dashboard to meet our needs. Also, you could add additional rows of information in here as well. So if you wanted to add a second row with these 3 columns and have more reporting, you would be able to do so. If we're doing fleet, we can see what's going on with the fleet in our organization. We can go ahead and do inventory within AssetPath, so we can see any purchases, transfer orders, requests in the system that are needing to get assets. We can also execute an audit in AssetPath. What this audit will do is tell you what your inventory is within ServiceNow, and then what you can count in your stock room and see if they match. Lastly, we have the ability to manage our work. We can see unassigned work, our group's work, our user skills in our business and who might have those, and the work orders that are open by different states, classification, or work order type. Along with the easy-to-use and informative dashboards, we also have our left navigation where we can do other things within asset management. We can expand the lists and see additional options for things like creating new product models, new assets, all the assets, and the asset disposition. Within planned maintenance, we can see our active maintenance plans, the schedules that are coming up for those maintenance plans, and the planned maintenance that we're incurring for the month. We can access inventory information, purchasing information. We can do some vendor management, reliability engineering, where we can capture things like failure reporting and predictive maintenance, fleet management to see what's in our fleet, and any reservations that we've got in the system. As you can see, Stave's AssetPath is a comprehensive yet simple solution to handle all of your asset management, whether it be IT-based assets like computers and servers, all the way up to fleet-based assets like vehicles in your business.